Hi, in today's video we are going to be talking about why face washes are important, how many times should you wash your face, how to know your skin type, which face washes should you use according to your skin type, and what you should look for while buying a face wash. If you are interested in any of these questions, please keep on watching. Hi, my name is Shrishti and welcome to my channel. So from today I'll be starting a series called Skincare Basics, in which I will tell you skincare from scratch. Because internet pe there are like a lot of videos in which they'll be talking about you should use this if you're oily skin, or you should use this if you're dry skin. But yaar seriously, तुम्हें कैसे पता चलेगा कि what should you use? Firstly, किसी को most of the time सबको नहीं पता होता कि what is their skin type. So we will start from very basics. And yes, this video is relevant to guys as to the girls because सबके पास skin होती है, right? So the question number 1 is why face washes are important. I mean, why face washes are important and why not we can use just soap. मुँह ही तो धोना है, right? Most of the boys do it. I see you. So let me tell you the reason. Our skin on the face is much more delicate than the skin on the body. But when you use it on your skin, face skin, it will strip away all the necessary oils and necessary moisture from your skin, leaving it more dry, more flaky, because soap are not meant for our skin on the face. So अब समझ में आया? Like that is why face washes are important. They will only remove the necessary dirt from your skin while still maintaining the moisture and the pH balance of your skin, only if you know how to choose a correct face. Let's move on to our second question, which is how many times should you wash your face during a day? I would say 2 times in a day is enough, once in the morning and once before going to sleep. And obviously you can wash your face during the mid of the day if you feel like, because ऐसा हो सकता है कि तुम बाहर जा रहे हो and you feel sweaty, or you're like a workout person, and obviously then you should wash your face to remove all the necessary sweat, dirt. Remember not to overdo it, not like 5 or 6 times. No, that is not how you do it. Don't do it, because it will strip away all the necessary oils that our face itself, that the skin on the face itself produces to keep it healthy. Okay. The third question is how you should find your skin type. It is the most asked question, because हमें कैसे पता चलेगा what is our skin type. Obviously I researched about it and मेरे को आंसर मिल गया. So you have to do simple thing. First is wash your face with whatever face wash you use, or like whatever you use, wash your face, ठीक है, thoroughly. And after washing your face, pat it dry. Do not apply moisturizer or any toner or anything on your face for about an hour. Leave it ऐसे ही, अपना काम करो जाके जो भी कर रहे हो. Then come back after 1 hour and examine your face in the mirror. Look and see how your skin is feeling. If your skin feels like oily, shiny, a little bit shiny, जैसे highlighter लगाया हो, या थोड़ी बहुत greasy, then obviously you are a oily skin type. If your skin feels like flaky, like it lacks hydration and like you know कि जल्दी से कोई क्रीम लगा लो, अगर ऐसा फील हो रहा है, then your skin type is dry. If your skin feels like oily in some regions and dry in some, then your skin is a combination type of skin, mix of both. And if your skin feels like okay, no dryness, no oiliness, nothing, it's like smooth, soft, then congratulations, you are a normal skin type. Now, which face wash should you use according to your skin type? So you come under the category of dry skins, so choose a moisturizer which is cream based, like creaminess नहीं होती वैसे, like उसमें ज़्यादा lather या foam नहीं आएगा, it will feel like moisturizing, ठीक है. Apply it, because cream based moisturizer will provide some hydration and some moisturization after you wash your face. And if you come under the category of oily skin type, you should select your face wash which is foam based. Means it will produce more lather, more bubble. उससे पता चलता है कि the whole excess oil that is washing off from your face. And for combination skin type, you have to like read the label. उसमें ना बहुत सारे face washes में ना लिखा आता है कि it is a combination skin type. या जिसमें लिखा आता है ना for all skin types. You should see and read the label and choose accordingly. और नॉर्मल स्किन टाइप को यार कुछ नहीं करना यार, तुम मज़े करो कसम से. कुछ भी कोई भी अच्छा कोई फेस वॉश उठा लो विच विल तुम्हें सभी सूट करता है, बट मैं क्या बोलूँ, विच यू लाइक एंड यू आर गुड, यू आर वेरी गुड. निकल जाओ मेरी नज़रों के सामने से. Question number 5 and then final question is, what should you look for in a face wash? Rather, I should flip the question and say like, what you should not look for in a face wash. While buying a face wash, you should read the label and ingredients very carefully. It should be free from all the chemicals like parabens, sulfates, artificial colors, artificial fragrances, alcohol. Basically ये सारी चीज़ें you have to stay away from these kind of face washes. बहुत ज़्यादा हार्मफुल होते हैं स्किन के लिए. तुम्हें अभी नहीं पता चलेगा, बट धीरे धीरे कंपाउंडिंग होती है एंड यू विल सी द रिजल्ट. सो जस्ट स्टे नेचुरल, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लुक फॉर नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट्स. I'll be linking some of the good face washes in the description box. So make sure you check out the description box. अगर तुम्हें अभी भी like difficulty हो रही है face wash को choose करने में, just look in the description box and you will find your answer. That is all for today's video. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel. And if you want me to continue this series in the future, and tell me in the comment box if this video is helpful to you or like which videos you want more on this channel. And I'll see you the next week. Bye beautiful.